Well, hello again. My name is Chris, and thanks for tuning into this video. And today, I'm going to be talking about. Oh, let me introduce myself again, just for all who don't know. I am a business consultant, business technology consultant, and web engineer for Digyt, which is a software agency located in Detroit, Michigan. And what I do is help dentists like yourself get more patients through the door by using modern design and web technology practices. Now, today's topic, I'm going to focus primarily on search engine optimization, or SEO, if for those who don't know it. So search engine optimization is going to be it's a resource that you can use to help you get free traffic to your website that will equal new patients in the long term. So I'm going to help you understand how this works and how you can get free traffic, unpaid traffic to your website and increase your conversion rate for your dental practice. Now, today I have this software called Ahrefs. This is a tool that I use at my company to help me get an idea of the competition or the competitive space for a certain keyword. So the good news for dentists, especially in 2021, with all this, everybody going online now due to COVID-19, and of course, there's other businesses opening back up as well at the time of this video is being recorded. So SEO for dentists is definitely a way to go for getting new patients. One reason for that fact is, as you can already see, if you look at the chart here, that have a keyword difficulty of 10 and a high search volume for just one of the services that dentists would offer. So this one example is Invisalign, which is becoming very popular. It's a highly profitable service that you can provide for your dental practice if that's something that you do or want to do. So as you can see, there's a lot of people searching for this keyword, and there's not a lot of people showing that they provide this type of service. So that's a great idea for anybody who wants to get into using this keyword or similar keywords to get more patients to the door. And of course, there are many other terms that you can use. You can use things like root canal service, and actually, I can even give you root canals, root canal services. Let me just try that, just to give you an idea of. That's probably not the best keyword term. I just wanted to give you a great example. Root canal near me. Might be another one. Okay, perfect. That's definitely better. I think most people would probably type in a service with the near me at the end. So whether you're in Atlanta, you're in New York, of course, there's going to be people all over the world, all over the country that's going to be looking for dental services. And as you can see here, here's a great list of keywords that you can use on your website that will help you get more dental patients that have a very low competition for that keyword. So as you can see, all this green and some yellows, but most of the time is green. So green is very easy to rank for, and of course there's many other categories than that. Now, the good question that a lot of people will ask is, how do I actually use these keywords on my website? So the first thing that I would do is to if you are the owner of your website, if you have control over the content, I will start writing blogs about these types of services. Now, I'll give you a great example of what that looks like. As you can see here, I'm going to use this person as an example. Greenhilldentist.net. I'm not sure. I think they're located in Tennessee, based upon the pop-up that I saw when I came on the site. But basically, I found this website by typing in a root canal keyword. It was on the first page, and this website answers a question for a lot of people, right? A lot of people are avoiding going to the dentist, getting a root canal, just because they're afraid of how painful it is and also how expensive it may be for them too. But number one is the pain that comes along with it. So this is how you can educate your patients on why you would need one, the importance of getting one done sooner now than later, and then also reassuring them of any myths or any concerns that they may have. So this is where you can answer questions and build that relationship with that potential patient. Now, imagine if you were to get all this free traffic, right? Because search engine optimization, SEO traffic is free traffic because you optimize it. And with knowing that the dental market or the dental industry has a roughly 23% conversion rate. So that means that for every 100 people that come into your dental practice, around 23% of them will be new patients. Now, that's a pretty low number if you think about it, but imagine if you're getting 300, 400, or 1,000 different visitors per month. With that 23%, you can expect 230 new patients per month, roughly. So that's pretty good. And if you also think about it this way, if you use more of these keywords, this conversion rate could go even higher than that. And then sometimes it could be lower, but it also depends on the type of services that you provide and also your current market as well, like in your local area. So there might be more competition for this keyword and this service versus another. So that's just something to keep in mind. But regardless of how you do it, where you do it, or what the competition is like, it's very important to write content and make content that educates people on the services that you provide. Most people, if not all people, appreciate a website that can be able to give them information without having to call in. Now, from my last video, I do remember, I think I did mention that most people prefer to, yeah, of course, because I was talking about the calendar. I probably will put a notification here on the video, just to link you to that, this video to link you to the other video that I'm talking about. But most people prefer to book online. So with knowing that and knowing people prefer to use the internet to get their resources, that's pretty much a no-brainer at this point to use this free tool to help you. Well, this is not free. I'm not talking about the software, but just the strategy of using these keywords. So you don't necessarily have to get this software to know which keywords to use. Of course, you would know what type of services you provide, and you more than likely will be better at knowing what your customers may want or what your customers' concerns might be, because of course you probably might have heard these questions in the office as well. You can answer them with these keywords. So that's really important about making great content here, especially with those keyword phrases. Now, if you go back, I want to show you going back to the search engine results. As you can see, when I type in this keyword, notice there's a lot of dentists popping up for it, because they know these people are already understanding the importance of search engine optimization and content marketing, because content marketing answers questions. Because of course, if somebody's looking for "our root canal is painful," that means that they are considering coming and seeing a dentist. So you don't necessarily have to rank for a keyword that's specifically about booking a service. Some people just need to know whether or not you are the person to see. So you are an expert in dentistry, and you are the person that they will go to get the answers that they're looking for. And it's okay if you don't get that patient right away. They will definitely appreciate you pointing them to the right direction. And just in case if something does go wrong in the future, or if they need another type of service, you'll be the first one that comes to their mind. So you're definitely building trust here, and you're definitely helping people out. And that's what you do. Your services are very valuable, so you never really have to worry about people not wanting to go to the dentist. Or of course, people don't want to go to the dentist, but people are going to have to. You're very needed in this industry. You're very needed in the world. So don't for a minute think that you won't be able to open up another clinic, or you won't be able to hit the profit margins that you want, or you're not going to be able to retire, right? So you don't have to ever worry about that if you follow these types of strategies, because this will absolutely help you get to where you want to be at. So that's pretty much for this video. I might even go deeper in this topic at a later time. I just really want to scratch the surface and just pretty much answer some questions that some of you may have. If you do have any more questions, and if you have any questions, or if you have some ideas on more content, I would love to hear what you have to say and make content for that. So you can put like questions or suggestions in the comment section, or you can even email me at hello@digyt.co. Once again, my name is Chris, and follow me on, I have an Instagram, so you can follow me on my Instagram, which is on my YouTube. And if you like this video, please hit the like button and stay tuned for the next video, and have a wonderful rest of your day. Take care.